So next we're going to talk about HSS drill bit set. The HSS stands for high speed steel, and that's what these drill bits are made of. It's a set that ranges from number 61 to number 80, and you can just see how tiny these little drill bits are. The set comes in this case that's indexed, so it indicates what size drill bit it is, and the smallest one you just barely see here. We have a number of drills, of tools that can work with this drill bit set, including our micro handheld drill that sort of operates with a pushing action like so. And this is really one of our best-selling items. As you can see, it's very quality, and it has very long-lasting sharpness on each of the bits.